Welcome to Words Well Read. Today, we are going to focus on three words that may be a little tricky to pronounce. First up, we have the word Schmatte. Schmatte. This is a Yiddish word. Yiddish is a language currently spoken mostly in Israel, Russia, and several European countries. Schmatte means a rag or an old piece of clothing. Here is a sentence example. Take that schmatte off. Next word is horoscope. Horoscope. Horoscope is a diagram that shows the positions of the stars and planets at a particular time used to predict someone's future. Here is a sentence example. I read my horoscope most days. Now let's move on to a final word. This word is pronounced phoenix. Phoenix. This is a mythical bird which is said to live for several hundred years and then die by fire, only to be reborn from its own ashes. Here is a sentence example. The airline rose like a phoenix from the ashes. That's it for this video, folks. We hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and tune in next time for more interesting words.